Last year, my family and I chartered two 58-foot catamarans in the British Virgin Islands. This wasn't a budget trip by any means, but it was much more affordable than you would think. Let me tell you about it. We started the trip by flying into St. Thomas and taking a ferry over to Tortola, the biggest and most populated island in the BVI. The ferry ride was about an hour, and once we arrived, we arranged for a guide to take us to our hotel. We spent 2 nights in Tortola. We made arrangements with the same driver to pick us up and take us back to the port. This is basically an all-inclusive vacation. All of our food, drinks, and snacks were included. The only additional fees we had were for transportation, entrance fees, or any other things that we purchased while on one of the islands. The rooms were of varying sizes. Our catamaran had 2 levels. The bottom level housed 2 VIP rooms on one side and another small room on the other. The main level had 2 fairly small rooms. Although the small rooms had beds that were technically large enough for 2 people, my 2 male cousins thought a little too close for comfort, so one of them ended up sleeping on the upper deck. Chartering a yacht can be a fun and luxurious way to spend a vacation or celebrate a special occasion. There are many companies that offer yacht charter services. We chose the Moorings, which pretty much has a lock on chartered yachts in the BVI. If you're interested in the process of booking a yacht, follow these steps. First, you need to determine your budget and the type of yacht you want to charter. Yachts come in a range of sizes and styles, from small sailboats to large motor yachts, and the prices can vary widely depending on the size and amenities of the yacht. Our yacht had a 3-person crew, which included a full-time chef. Next, you need to decide on the location and duration of your charter. Some popular destinations include the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, and the Pacific. We chose the British Virgin Islands, and we did a 5-day charter. Once you've done your research and decided on your charter company, you'll need to contact them to discuss your requirements and get a quote. You'll provide them with information such as the number of passengers, the length of the charter, any special dietary requirements, and even your choice of liquor. This was a trip of a lifetime. I would highly recommend it for a family or a group of close friends. Leave a comment below and let me know when you plan your trip to the BVI. I'll see you next time.